For more than 5 decades, we produced metal parts that help make our world a better place. Meet Tom and Joe. They're the husband and wife duo who started the company back in 1972. The company's name, Kapco, was born on a napkin. Since then, a lot has changed. We expanded from 2 employees to over 600. We built a new building and expanded our operations to multiple locations. And we invested in the newest and best equipment. We've been recognized with a bunch of awards, and we still manage to have fun. A lot of fun. As we produce metal parts for some of the world's biggest and coolest brands. Like this, and this, and this, and this. And products that people use every day. Like this, and this, and this. This allows Kapco to be one of the premier metal stamping operations in the Midwest, as well as offer a long, great benefits package. But best of all, we train and develop our people. Our world-class on-campus training center gives our team skills used at work and in life. Most importantly, the people of Kapco make a big difference, and we've been doing so for a long time. So what do you say? Apply today.